Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about Web3 wallets, but as usual, before I get started, just a little disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. It is only for entertainment and education. So with that, let's get started. So what is Web3 wallet? But before we talk about Web3 wallets, let's first understand what is Web3. Web actually started in 1990s, and initially it was only read-only. The first version of web, it was more towards read-only, so you could search for content, you could download some content, you could read some journals and all that, but that was it. So it was very simple. You have this client server model, so the client can reach out to the server, server can send some information back. So that was web 1. And Web 2, which kind of started in 2004 with the rise of the social media companies like Facebook and Twitter and YouTube, where not only you could read the information, you can get the information, but you could also create content or write your content. You could upload photos, videos, and you could write whatever you wanted to write, your thoughts and all on Twitter and all that. So that was the Web 2.0 era. And so before I talk about Web 3, so let me just briefly talk about the problems with Web 2. So Web 2 actually is controlled by big tech. It's controlled by the social media companies of the likes of Facebook and Twitter and all that. So they are permissioned, means that if Twitter wants, they can kick users off, and it happens very frequently. They kick users off of the platform, and they only after waiting for a certain period, they allow, they vet the users, and only after a certain period of time, they will allow them to post again, and they will activate their account again. Sometimes people even lose all their followers, all their content and all that. So, and also the third problem with Web 2.0 is their business model. So their business model is actually to get all the user information. So basically they want to track users, and they have these advertising model where they present ads to the users, and they want users to buy products and all that. So basically I read one quote once that if you're getting something for free, you are the product. So the product for the social media product is the user itself and not the platform. So these big companies, they are after user data. So they just want to get as much as details as possible about you. What is your location? What are you doing? What do you like? And all that, so that they can sell their products, so they can target the ads more appropriately to you. So that's the biggest problem with Web 2.0. And in 2014, when Ethereum was launched, Ethereum's co-founder Gavin Wood actually coined this term Web 3.0. So it means that you can read, you can write, and also you own your data. And it is not controlled by anyone. It is decentralized. So all the fundamentals of crypto actually are into Web 3.0. So Web 3.0, so basically it's again crypto, it's DAOs, the decentralized autonomous organization. So again, it's not controlled by a company like Facebook or YouTube or the likes, but it is actually individual projects or protocols. They are actually controlled by DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. So there are communities. I have talked about this before, and there is on-chain governance, which means that all the decisions about the product or the protocol are taken through voting and all that. Then we have decentralized finance, which I'll talk about later in another video, but at a high level, now it's possible to transact on these platforms, and you can even borrow money, you can lend money, you can earn yield. So that is about DeFi. Then we have the non-fungible tokens. So non-fungible tokens, again, very briefly, these enable the content creators, the artists, the music composers to actually own their work and to sell their work directly to the users, and no intermediaries involved, and it's peer-to-peer. And finally, we have the smart contracts, which enable all of these functionalities. So that is at a high level, that is Web3. So Web3 is exciting, and the main factor that allows you to venture into Web3 is the Web3 wallet. So here we are talking about MetaMask. So MetaMask is a Web3 wallet. So I'll show you how it works and what it means. It will be more clear when I show you the demo. So let me switch screens and I'll show you. I'll set up MetaMask and we will do some transactions. So now I'm in my browser and I opened metamask.io. So just click here, download for Chrome, and it should actually show you the extension. So you can click add to Chrome and you can click add extension. The extension will be added. It's downloading. So MetaMask is a Chrome extension. So once it's added, it will say you can get started. So you can create a wallet. I'll click on create a wallet and it will ask me to. So it asks you to create a password as well. And it asks you, it shows you some warnings, and also it asks you to agree to the terms and conditions. So once you're ready, just click on next. It shows you to secure your wallet. It says it's giving some information, what is a secret recovery phrase and all that. I have talked about this more in my other video about crypto wallets. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and watch that as well. So yeah. Now it's showing me the secret recovery phrase. And I need to note it down, and then so that I can recover my wallet in case I want to set it up on another computer or something like that. So I'll do that. I have noted down my recovery phrase, and also it asks me to verify it again so that you can make sure that you have kept it, you have noted it down properly. So once that is done, it's saying congratulations, you have done it, and you can save it somewhere safe and all that. So all done. So now my new account is created, but I don't have any funds there. It's my wallet is ready, but no funds there. So I'll transfer some money there, and then we can get going. I've logged into Binance. I have bought some Ethereum here. So I'll just, I want to move it to my wallet. So I'm going to withdraw. So if I go up, withdraw, and then Ethereum. And then I need to provide the address. So I need to go back to MetaMask and copy the address and then paste the address here. And then I need to select the withdrawal network. I'll say Ethereum. It's about $2 transaction fee. So I'll do that. And I want to withdraw all of my Ethereum from here, and I'll get this much. So let me just click on withdraw. So it's saying it's giving some warnings. So it's okay. So address type, it's my personal wallet address. Next, it's asking acknowledge the information asset cannot be recovered once withdrawal is confirmed successfully. Binance cannot guarantee the risk clearance. Okay, let's do that. It asks for further information, email verification code. I need to get that code. get code, it will send it to my email. I'll input that and I will, once transferred, I'll resume. I've entered those OTPs and now it's waiting. You can see it's waiting for withdrawal. So I'll give it some time and return. My transaction is posted, so I can see here. I can click on the link and see the details on the block explorer. How it's going. It's successful. So it's transferred and it has charged this much money. So let me just go to my wallet and check. So yes, I've got the Ethereum and what in my Web3 wallet in MetaMask, and I can actually go here and also see view account on Etherscan, which is the block explorer for Ethereum. So I'll go there. Let's just check. So there is one transaction it is showing, and that happened 2 minutes ago. Binance, from Binance, the money, the Ethereum was transferred out. So that's the transaction. That's the way you can see it. We'll learn more about Etherscan later, but let's go back to the wallet. So now it's there. I have transferred some money. So now I can interact with a decentralized application or a dApp. So one of the foremost and the most popular app you can say is Uniswap. So I'll go and say Uniswap. So Uniswap. So Uniswap is a decentralized exchange. So I have shown you how to buy and sell on a centralized exchange, but now we are going to use a decentralized exchange, which works through a Web3 wallet. So here I am on Uniswap and I've launched their app, and here you can see there is an option to connect the wallet. So let me click on connect, and it will give me certain options here. So I can select MetaMask. So once I select MetaMask, MetaMask will ask me for confirmation. I can allow it and connect. So now I am connected. My wallet is connected with Uniswap. So here I can actually uh, exchange my Ethereum for other tokens, or I can, so this is, let me select a token. So you can see these, there are certain stable coins here, or you can even buy BTC, which is a wrapped BTC, WBTC on Ethereum network. So you can buy that. So I will show you. So let me just buy some uni coins here, uni tokens from the Uniswap exchange itself. So I want to buy, say, 10 uni tokens or maybe less. It's I can buy maybe let's say 4 uni tokens. So which is like $34. So I need to spend this much of Ethereum here. Let's just try this one, swap, and so it's saying this is the price and all that. So let me just say confirm swap. And now MetaMask is showing this pop-up. So it's showing me the estimated gas. So it's $5.84 to transact on the Ethereum network. So let's just confirm that. So transaction is submitted. Let's view on Explorer. So here it's saying that it will take about 45 seconds to confirm. And this is the value transacted, and I'm using Uniswap. So, and this is the gas price. So I've talked about gas previously in my other videos. So I'll leave the link there. So this is how you transact, and basically it's all in the web. So now my transaction is confirmed. I have swapped some Ethereum for 4 uni tokens. So yes, transaction looking good. So now if I go back, so there is a button here, add uni. So if I click this, it will add this token to my MetaMask so that I can see my balance there. So if I go here in my MetaMask, so I can see I have now this much Ethereum and 4 uni tokens here. So so MetaMask, again, it's a wallet. I can send my tokens or my Ethereum to some other address, or I can interact with other applications, other decentralized applications. This is Uniswap is one very simple example of a decentralized application. It's called a decentralized exchange, DEX. So again, so I have the difference between centralized exchange and decentralized exchange is that decentralized exchange is actually controlled by a third party. Sorry, the centralized exchange is controlled by a third party, and they can get hacked and you can lose your coins. But with decentralized exchanges, so it interacts directly with your wallet. You have the self custody of the coins, and you are interacting with these exchanges through this Web3 wallet. So I'll show more in later videos, but this is about it for today. So I'll go back to the slides one last time. So guys, so we saw how to set up MetaMask, and also we saw how to interact with a decentralized application. We interacted with Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange. So there is a lot more to explore in the in Web3 and all that. So, but we will talk more about that. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And yeah, but you didn't talk about Web 5. Where is Web 5 coming from? Oh, so Web 5, it's again, so Jack Dorsey is the CEO of, or the ex-CEO of Twitter, and he posted the tweet on June 11 talking about Web 5. So Web 5, basically he's saying that Web 2 plus Web 3 equals Web 5. So he's combining Web 2 and Web 3. But then a lot of people asked him, what about Web 4? So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and hope to catch you guys again soon. Thank you. Bye.